Thank you very much, Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, for giving me the opportunity to speak on the budget 2015 and 16. Sir, though this is the second budget of the NDA government, but it is the first full-fledged budget of the NDA government. Sir, every budget will have a lot of expectation, expect some new initiatives, some excitements, some announcements. And after the presentation of the budget, there will be reactions. Both some welcomes the budget, some criticize the budget. Sir, this is the 21st budget I have been participating. Every budget when a new government presents, there will be some new initiatives, new announcement, and lot of expectation because there is a change, the government changes, and they say that they will make promises in the elections, make promises which cannot be fulfilled, as happens for the black money. Lot of expectation was raised that we will bring black money overnight. So there will be, after some times, there will be a total disappointment. This budget also, because this is the full-fledged budget of the new government, people expected, they called there will be a big bang budget. It will be a dream budget. I remember when Mr. Chidambaram presented his budget during the Mr. Devegowda's regime, that budget was called a dream budget. Several finance ministers' budgets were called dream budget. Those today who are praising and criticizing the budget of the UPA, those who are today criticizing the UPA, they themselves have prized the UPA budget as development oriented, growth oriented. The same corporate sectors prize every finance minister because they will have to keep him in good mood. Today, the corporates and some of the corporates say this is a growth oriented budget. There is lot of incentives for development. There is lot of allocation for infrastructure. Forgetting that as the nation grow, our economy grow, the allocation also increases. But the real test is whether the allocations, the expectations are able to achieve. I don't think, having seen the budgets of the previous several years and analyzing this budget, there is nothing sensational in this budget. This is a routine budget, as Mr. Praful Patel rightly said. Governments comes, governments goes, and the budget is a continuing. It is a statement of receipts and expenditure and a policy statement and what the government is going to do and what the government going to achieve. Sir, the major claim of this government is that They have accepted the 14th Finance Commission recommendation, and the devolution of to the states is 42%. This is being repeated. Now there is no other thing for this government to claim. We have given more money to the states. We believe in federalism, inclusive federalism. That is why we have given 42%. But now I would not like to go into the detail. It is very clear that there is absolutely no increase in the actual devolution to the state government. They have given 1,56,000 crores by way of additional resources because of the recommendation of the 14th Finance Commission. But from the back door, they have snatched more than 1,50,000 crores.
1,33,000.
So there is negligible increase in the resources available to the. On the other hand, they have increased the resources by reducing the corporate tax from 30% to 25%. They are putting nearly 80,000 crores with the corporates, additional 80,000 crores. What was the need for this? I cannot understand the rationale before reducing the corporate tax. Sir, corporate tax is given on the profit of the corporates. The finance minister was telling that this will attract investment. In the Southeast Asian countries, the tax rate is 25%. So, I don't think that any corporate will come that because the tax is less. It is a new idea which is being said that to help the corporate, to say if you reduce the corporate tax. Nobody demanded the reduction of corporate tax. There was no agitation for demanding the corporate tax. So this is an indirect benefit. And what you have done? You have increased the service tax from 12% to 14%. Still we have not finalized. What will be the final tax on GST? Whether it is 10%, 12%, 14%, 16%, still debate. You have already taken the service tax to 14%, so when you fix the GST, you cannot come down. It will again increase. There is any expectation the service tax may go up to 16, the GST and service tax going to be 16 to 17%.
More.
What does it mean?
More.
It is inflation.
Much more.
Sir, what is this budget? The total percentage of expenditure the size of union budget of 15-16 is 12.6% of the GDP. It is the lowest expenditure. The highest was 15.9 in 2009-10. And then when the UPA government's regime, 13-14, in spite of the world economic condition, you may say so many things, because it is, you will not, we know you will not prize us. And we don't expect your certificate also for our achievements. Mr. Goyal is laughing. So, it is fine, it is in a democracy. We criticize you, you criticize, but facts remains facts, and history will...
It was 3 lakh crore less from 13-14
Yes.
budget.
Yes, of course.
So,
3,36,000.
scam, this, the whole economy was not doing well, then nothing. It is
Yeah,
just a
scam.
propaganda.
रहमान
हाँ?
खान, पैसा तो इनके पास है खर्चा करने को, स्कैम का चार्ज इधर है, पैसा उधर है।
अब उसको मैं डिटेल बहस में नहीं जाना चाहता। Pardon? No, if it is...
Since you mentioned about scam and you mentioned my name,
No,
No,
we have demonstrated what we have alleged.
I said you are laughing. I didn't criticize you. I didn't say anything. You are my good friend. How can I criticize?
बोलो कि स्कैम का चार्ज इधर है, पैसा
नहीं,
उधर
मैं
है,
जानता हूं
पैसा
और
उधर है।
आप जानते हैं, स्कैम के बारे में अगर डिटेल बहस किया जाए, मैं उस वक्त भी कहा था, आज भी कहूंगा, with full conviction that there is absolutely scam is propagated. I mean, you are माहिर है आप प्रोपोगेंडा में, वो तो सारी दुनिया आज मानती है, हम भी मानते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
अब अडवाणी जी इसने कर दिया कि इज द गुड क्या इवेंट मैनेजर, तो नेचुरली
प्रोडक्ट मर्चेंट,
your product you have sold very well and you have reaped the thank you, and you are a good marketing experts, which we admit we don't, because we believe in performance, you believe in marketing, which the future course of event will show you. The future, definitely the future course of event. Today आज टाम करने की जरूरत नहीं है, और जो पहले कहा गया था कहावत है, जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं। आज गरजा जा रहा है। इन 10 महीनों में सिर्फ देखा है कि गरज रहे हैं। सारी दुनिया में हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर जा रहे हैं और गरज रहे हैं। अब हमको देखना है कि वो बादल रहेंगे आसमान पे, या बादल गायब हो जाएंगे, या बरसेंगे या ना बरसेंगे, हम देखेंगे, यहां से बैठकर हम देखेंगे। आप जो करना करते रहिए, हम देखते रहिए, और जब वक्त आएगा तो हम पूछेंगे कि बादल कहां गए, काम बरसे। अरे होने दो ना, हम देखेंगे। आज बारिश नहीं हो रही है, आप देखेंगे कि बारिश का हाल, आपकी बारिश होके आपको क्या हाल बना दिया। आज अनटाइमली बारिश तुमको होके आज जो हमारे किसानों को मुसीबत आई है इन 10 महीनों में, आइंदा क्या मुसीबत आने वाली है जो आप जो कर रहे हैं किसानों के साथ, वो देखा जाएगा। इसी जो आपकी टेंडेंसी है कि पिछली गवर्नमेंट कुछ नहीं की, और 10 महीने में आज जो देश है वो सब आपका बनाया हुआ। नहीं, ठहरिए जरा संभालिए। आप कहते हैं कि 10 महीने में हमने कुछ पूरी आसमान से तारे तोड़ लाए हैं, आप कुछ नहीं किए थे। अरे भाई,
पहली बार
आप तो जो कुछ भी कर रहे, आप जनधन की इतना टाम कर रहे हैं, इतनी पब्लिसिटी कर रहे हैं, मोबाइल की इतनी पब्लिश कर रहे हैं। हमारे रविशंकर प्रसाद तो अपना क्रेडिट ले रहे हैं कि 94 करोड़ मोबाइल ऑपरेटर्स हैं। ये किसने किया? आज आप इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कीजिए, आपके जमीर को टटोलिए, आपके कॉन्शियंस को टटोलिए कि आप जो कह रहे हैं वो सही है या नहीं। हमें
No, please.
जो हमने देश के
Please,
लिए
please,
करना था,
Raja, please.
जो
Listen,
मुल्क
listen.
में हमने जो कुछ किया है
Listen to that.
वो हमने किया है।
appreciation. He's
Sir,
appreciating
yeah.
that we all bought mobile phones only after Shri Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister. He's appreciating.
No, please. No, please.
आज तक कितने थे आप देखिए, मैंने वाजपेयी जी को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं किया, मैंने आप
सुषमा जी जब संचार मंत्री थी तब शुरू हुई है।
नहीं,
इस बात को
देखिए,
याद करिए, अगर आपने याद करना हो तो।
संचार क्रांति
No,
के
please.
सूत्रधार राजीव गांधी
No,
थे।
no, please. No time.
कोई गलत बात मत करिए।
No
जमीन पर
time.
उतारने में यहाँ पर संचार मंत्री के रूप में सुषमा स्वराज जी बैठी हुई है।
No time for altercation.
अगर याददाश्त की थोड़ी
No time for
कमजोर
this
होगी, याद
altercation.
करके थोड़ा
नहीं,
जाएगा।
उनको बोलने दीजिए।
Only Rahman Khan will speak.
वो गुमराह
Others will
करने,
keep quiet.
गुमराह नॉन
Only
पार्लियामेंट्री
Rahman Khan will speak.
दूसरों को बहकाने
Others
में
will
माहिर
keep quiet.
हैं, वो मिसलीडिंग करने में माहिर हैं, उनको करने दीजिए।
पार्लियामेंट्री
Let us speak. No,
नहीं, वो तो
no, please.
हम लोग एक दूसरे को गुमराह करते ही रहते हैं।
Listen.
अब यहाँ पर
तो है
in every social activity you have reduced
No,
the budget.
please let him speak.
You have reduced the budget. Every activity. And even in the gender budget for the women, you are talking so much, there is a reduction. In everything there is a reduction. Sir, ये जहां तक दूसरे विषय हैं, सब मैं इसके ऊपर, क्योंकि बहुत से हमारे मेंबर्स उसके ऊपर रोशनी डाले हैं। बजट इज एन ऑर्डिनरी बजट, देयर आर सर्टन गुड थिंग्स वी शुड अप्रिशिएट। अब मुद्रा की बात करते हैं। लोगों की जो मेमोरी शार्ट होती है, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री हो, स्किल डेवलपमेंट हो, स्किल डेवलपमेंट में कितना इनिशिएटिव लिया यूपीए गवर्नमेंट। ये डायरेक्ट टैक्स बेनिफिट आप सबको अपना ले हैं, जैसा दत्तू बेटा ले लेते हैं ऐसा दत्तू ले लिए हमारे पूरे स्कीम को आपने। आप कैश ट्रांसफर आप क्रिटिसाइज किए तो आप उसको आज प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं। आधार क्रिटिसाइज किए, आप प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं। डायरेक्ट कैश जो है वो हम, इट वाज अ मेजर प्रोग्राम ऑफ यूपीए एंड यू आर टेकिंग क्रेडिट, यू टेक क्रेडिट, आई एम नॉट saying they don't take credit or don't give credit also, but don't criticize that we have done nothing. Have some grace while criticizing, you should have some grace also. सर, मैं दो चीज आ रहा हूं। एक इंपॉर्टेंट, हमारी बैंकिंग व्यवस्था कैसे चलती है, कैसे इसको कंट्रोल किया जाता है। सर, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने एक म्यूचुअल फंड लॉन्च किया। वो म्यूचुअल फंड, देयर वाज अ लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग डिमांड दैट इंटरेस्ट फ्री bonds should be floated. Sharia, because nearly 20 crores people of this country believe that interest is prohibited in that. Fine. Whether one accept it or not, that is their religion. They believe in it. And it is a concept, pardon? It is a concept which has accepted world over. And mutual fund, the actual mutual fund is a concept of Sharia based. You accept mutual fund, but if the word Sharia is added to it, you are against it. Now, State Bank of India, as a business product, they floated a SBI Sharia Equity Fund. It was to be launched on December 1st. Advertisements were done. And after, it is a business plan. I am not saying that State Bank was, no government, let me put any pressure on them. It is on their own. But all of a sudden, on 1st of December, the State Bank Mutual Fund, investors are hereby informed that it has been decided to defer the launch of the new fund offer of the SBI Sharia Equity Fund, and kindly note the text. It is on 1st of December, State Bank announces it. It's because on the same day, a day earlier, one of the important functionaries, I don't say it is functionary, I don't want to take the name, writes a letter to the Prime Minister that this should be stopped. I have the letter copy also. And the entire SBI's launching of the Sharia Mutual Equity Fund, it is an equity fund, was stopped, giving no reason whatsoever. And the Reserve Bank is convinced that there is a need for such a instrument. So they appointed in March 2014 an internal committee to report, examine the introduction of interest-free finance banking sector in India. But now everything is closed. Sir, to what extent? Even commercial experience, you see, you can, now the finance ministry is short of, he is put to pressure or rising resources. And I can tell here, it is not outside fund coming. If it is some Sharia law added, you cannot immediately say the fund comes from this. Fund can come from Mauritius.
No today.
And fund cannot come from any other states. That will be tagged. Now, here you can raise more than, the rough estimate is more than 50,000 crores. This is what SBI expect in the course of time, but you would not like to touch. Sir, I would urge upon you that don't think the economic issue also with a color glass. So, other things I would not like to touch. This is really an interference and stopping a well thought of fund to enable crores of people to save. Now you are talking about saving through insurance, through various other things. What is wrong in having another saving instrument for the development, for creating infrastructure? I think this budget is regarding Mudra Bank icon. Yes, it is a good initiative. But earlier there was SIDBI. The SIDBI was created only to finance small scale industry. And where is the need for one more? If you feel that you can want to change it, change it. But SIDBI was there. Which is the new initiative in this? Yes, you have given infrastructure importance, you have given. Fine, we welcome it. But not at the cost of the poor, the farmers, the vulnerable section. And minorities, you said you have said, I have maintained the allocation. Sir, just maintaining the allocation, is it sufficient? 3,700 crores is the allocation, the 3,700 crores is maintained. For a population of more than 200 million people, the allocation is 3,714 crores. The same thing, it is not only the minorities. There is reduction in... Maybe they...
We are sitting only up
So-
to 9.
Yes.
So,
So, Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, whatever good is there in the budget, I welcome. And good initiative, I welcome. But there are very few good initiatives. The others are cut and paste from our budget. And I hope that while replying to the debate, the finance minister will clarify particularly on this, why the SBI stopped this
okay.
instrument.